Navigate to bitwarden.com. Click the Personal tab. Scroll down. Click Create Free Account. Enter your email address. Confirm your email address. Set a password. Navigate to bitwarden.com again. Click Login. Click Skip to Web App. Skip the demo. Click Send on the left to start a new secure send. Give your send a name. Enter your secret. Set expiration period for the secure link. Be sure to set a password for the link. Set maximum access count. Copy the secure sharing link. Send it in an email. Send the password in a separate email. You're done. You've securely shared your secret information. This video is intended as a demonstration of one option for securely sharing sensitive information. Move My Docs does not endorse any specific vendor or services, and users should evaluate solutions based on their own security and business requirements.